Have you recently experienced red eyes, along with fever, coughing, or body aches? Recently, the first case of highly pathogenic avian influenza was detected in Paju, and unlike before, new symptoms such as eye redness have been reported. It may sound worrying, but the prevention methods are simple. Wear a mask, wash your hands, and avoid direct contact with poultry. And if you develop symptoms, make sure to get checked at a hospital right away. Small actions can be the greatest strength to protect your health, your family, and your community. Don't forget to subscribe and like, it really helps us create more videos. Thank you.